What's up, everybody? Welcome, welcome. What's poppin', slime? I think I finally can feel confident that I know how to do this. Haven't messed it up like 3 days in a row. What's going on, everybody? Welcome. Welcome to day 49. How's everybody doing? Slime, how's your stomach? Was everything okay with the White Castle? How you feeling? I'm glad to know you're alive. You said if I don't see you, then I know the reason, but I'm seeing you. So, you must be alive and well. Hopefully well. You're alive. I don't know if you're well. Hey, Avi, welcome. You have an iron stomach, boo. Oh, okay, boo. Let me know what happens if you go to Pakistan, because I thought I had an iron stomach too. I was walking around like, yeah, you know, I'm Asian. Asians got strong stomachs. We got strong stomachs, and well, I was proved very wrong. Thanks, Slime. Maybe you gotta stay away from that Taco Bell in White Castle. What's going on, everybody? What's everybody up to? I am very tired today. Everybody take it easy on me. I woke up. I went to bed at 1 a.m. I woke up at 5 a.m. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. It's because I was thinking about this. And I was irked and irritated and stressed about it. And it woke me up. And then I went to the gym. I came back. I passed out. I had like a little nap. I'm not a napper. I never take a nap. But, so everybody take it easy on me. And everybody take it easy in the chat. Everybody stressed me out in the chat yesterday. Hopefully my little pink drink will wake me up. Whew, I gotta wake up, wake up, wake up. Okay, so I started building this community project, right? Which is a whole jumble of ideas that make sense to me, but I think my issue is I have so many ideas that, I don't know, Claude built something and then I ran out of usage credits yesterday. We didn't get to see the final result, but the final result is hideous. I hate it. 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 I can't stand it. I almost want to like burn it and just start over, but I'm not going to do that. We're just going to fix it. And I have to learn how to relax, that this is part of the process. But I hate it. And that's why I woke up at 5 a.m. So this is like disturbing my sleep at this point. So it has to be fixed. And once I figure out how I'm going to go about fixing it, I'm going to use Fable 5 to design it. I think I probably should have done that yesterday. I probably should have been saving those usage credits, the Fable 5 usage credits for this. I don't even want to show it to you because it's absolutely hideous. I'll show it to you, but I'm truly embarrassed of it because I went from finishing this, which I love, to something that is not just not the same. So a few things I think were the problem. The prompt that I gave Claude, it was way too long. And I knew it when it was thinking for like 40 minutes or so. I'm like, it's way too long. So I don't know. I'm trying to fix the plan with ChatGPT right now, but it keeps giving me another long prompt to fix it. I'm trying to figure out what is necessary to put in this prompt, what is not. And yeah, so we're gonna try to fix this today. And then on the side, there's just like little tweaks I have to make here to this website. I just remembered that on the bottom, no, not on this page, on the homestay, hostel, and volunteering page, I don't like how this text is aligned to the left with no image here. That just doesn't make sense. Like, so that's just a little, it's not so important right now, but something I'll be doing on the side. What else? I was thinking about something else, but of course I forgot. So this is what it came up with. And I absolutely hate, like, I hate it. I absolutely hate it. This is not good. This is not good at all. So I went back and forth with ChatGPT and I was asking, like, you know, should I just start over? ChatGPT suggested no, because it built like a foundation, the Next.js foundation and all of it. So we just have to work on the design. I'm going to give today a chance. And if it doesn't give me something that I love, then I will have to go into Claude Design to get what I want, which I just don't want to do because it just uses so much of your credits. Oh, and what I wanted to ask you guys, a lot of people have been suggesting to install the Impeccable skill for front-end design, but then for the past few days, we've been having this conversation, skills versus no skills. And I'm very torn. I'm very confused as to, should I be using these skills or not? So what do we think about the Impeccable skill? Is it a good idea for me to use it? Or is it not a good idea for me to use it? Impeccable design guidance for AI coding agents. Guys, if you're just coming in, welcome. Design guidance for AI coding agents, 1 skill, 23 commands, live browser iteration, and 60 deterministic detector rules for AI generated front-end design. Use design skill or the front-end design skill. But we've been having this debate, skills versus no skills. And I'm on the fence. Someone said I have to like interpret what, I don't know. Add purposeful emotion. Impeccable delight. Add moments of joy. Skill includes explicit guidance. Don't use overused font. Don't use gray text on colored background. Don't use. Oh, there's a case study. Generate a mock to ship page. To a live conference site in one run. brand interpretation. Okay, I just want to see a before and after. Before and after. As for a new page, a redesign, or an addition, here's what happens and how you steer it. There's no command for building something new. Describe it and Impeccable takes it from there. This is the look and addition. Very interesting. If this was the website, I mean, I do like this. This is cool. The fonts are a little different than I feel like what you typically see. I'm interested. I am interested. But I'm wondering if I should go into use Fable 5 and then use this after. Okay, I'm interested. I do like this website. This logo is cool. It's cool. Okay. All right. Hi, the operator. Yeah, this is not my website. I'm looking into people keep suggesting to use the Impeccable skill for front-end design, but we've been having this conversation about skills versus no skills. Some people are really pro skills. Some people say that skills kind of ruin the quality of your work. I'm struggling with the front-end design of something right now. And I'm interested in possibly using this skill. So I was looking at the see it in action, right? And I believe that this is the website that was built using that skill, and it looks really nice. So let me try to just run a prompt first and then see if I like what I get. Yeah, I am. So I might test it today. I'm gonna use Fable 5 today because basically, I don't think, no, you weren't here yesterday, but let me give you a little backstory. I just finished this website yesterday, which I love. Okay, I love it. It's probably my favorite thing that I've built so far in terms of front-end design, especially in the hero section, right? I started a new project yesterday. I'm building a community project, and I spent so much time developing this in-depth idea, right? And I ran the prompt, and it gave me this piece of crap. I hate it. I want to burn it. I want to burn it. But I have to just calm down and fix it. Good morning. I just woke up. Hi, Tom. Hi, Tom. Welcome. Like, honestly, it bugs me so much what it came up with after I spent so much time developing the idea that it woke me up at 5 in the morning. Like, I could not sleep. I went to bed at 1 and I woke up at 5 because I was thinking about this. But I need to shift my mindset. This is part of the learning process, right? Some things are going to fail. I think I'm putting a lot of pressure on myself for my growth to be exponential and exponentially fast. Where that's just like, I just have to change that mindset. My growth is going to look like what it looks like at whatever pace I'm going to go at. I'm putting too much pressure on myself that I have to be so much better, so much quicker. And I have to stop doing that. Okay, question. Is it really necessary to ask Claude to give me an explanation before editing any of the files? Is there a prompt that we can just give Claude to get to work? So ChatGPT is helping me with the prompts to redesign this the way that I want it. But these prompts are so long. Like, is that, I don't think that's good for them to be that long. Because I think that's what happened with the first prompt. I think it was way too long. There was too much to interpret. Like, let's just build one feature at a time. Is useful for risky and broad changes, but this task is tightly limited to one hero. Claude can inspect the repository and reveal the hero immediately. Yeah, that's what I want. I don't got time for all that chit chat. I've been doing enough chit chatting. Rebuild only the homepage hero section for builds and boarding passes. I strongly dislike the hero, including the SVG background colors, typography, layout, and generic visual style. Do not polish the existing design. Replace the hero with a completely new visual direction. Okay, should I? Oof, we need a new session. Preserve the existing repository framework, GitHub configuration for cell configuration, yada, yada, yada. Begin by inspecting the existing project, then implement the new hero directly. You don't need to wait for my approval scope. Do not add additional homepage sections. Okay, temporarily display only hero on the homepage if needed. Okay. The hero should feel like the opening sequence of a live travel and building show. Immediate feeling should be we're going somewhere together. The travel theme must be obvious. Immediately combine real travel photography, a modern flight departure board, passport in colors, and unfolding world tour. Hi, our pal, welcome. I noticed at the end, I ended the stream yesterday and I didn't say goodbye to you because I was scrolling up and there was so much chat that I couldn't scroll up anymore. And then you said bye and I ended the stream and I was like, wait, bye. But it was too late and ended. So hi. Sometimes at the end of the stream, I can't remember who was here today, who was here yesterday, who was here last week. An airplane window or arrival view. Okay, good. Download, properly licensed. Blah, blah, blah. Hi, Fire. Where are you seeing that? Oh. Oh. Gotta pump those numbers up. Hi, Sasso. Welcome. Fire, I was actually just talking about you. Let me just read this, and then I wanna pick your brain about something. Create slow. Okay. Do not use a generic stack of text. Okay. So Fire, actually, before I run this prompt, I'm actually really glad that you're here. Super, super glad that you're here. So we were talking about skills, right? And, you know, you were the one who introduced me to the ponytail skill. But people are saying that the ponytail skill is, ruining the quality of my work. What do you think about that? And then we were also talking about, I forget if it was you that mentioned the impeccable skill, because I'm struggling with the front end design of what I'm building right now. I didn't install the impeccable skill yet, but it has come up a lot. And this was something that was built, not by me, with the impeccable skill, and I really do like it. So I'm interested, like I'm intrigued about testing out that skill if I don't get what I want after trying to redesign it right now. But I kind of like, I'm not using the ponytail skill right now, but I do want to, because it has saved me a massive amount of tokens, and I'm about to use Fable 5 right now with my extra usage. But just wanted to hear your take on that and skills in general, because we've been going back and forth about skills versus no skills. Some people are on one side, some people are on the other. Uh-oh, slime. Slime's gonna yell at me. For the front end design of what I'm building, because I'm not getting what I want. And I want to use, for this, I want to use Fable 5. I know you will disagree, Slime. I know you'll disagree. I know. But that's what I want to use it for. So my question is, before I run this prompt, should I still be using ponytail or not? But I feel like it does make a difference. I have to say, anything I've designed with, anything I struggled with design, when I used Fable 5, I got what I want. I don't know. Ponytail just compresses your text. As models get better, the system prompt that we send with ponytail is not need 100%, just be on the light. So ponytail light. Ponytail just compresses your text. So it's no big deal. So I should do ponytail. Where's light? Why am I not seeing light? I usually always see that. Oh, and then light. Like this? I usually just backslash ponytail. Okay. All right, let's see. Let us see. Still a long ass prompt, but wait, oh no, because I have it set to adjust limit, set to unlimited, or no, set to not unlimited, to not $2,000, $100, because that's what they gave me. Okay. All right, let's see if it could take this hideous design. It's hideous. I hate it. This is not what I wanted at all. But then again, who knows what I wanted? Stressed. I'm stressed. But we're gonna fix it. I have to stop stressing. Like, I don't know. I'm too invested where it's like affecting me, affecting my mental. Fire. Have you used the impeccable skill for front-end design? Because I know actually you were talking about the front-end design skill. I'm wondering if you used impeccable, because a lot of people have mentioned it. And now that I see an actual result with it, I mean, now that I see an actual result, it's good? Okay, then I think I'm gonna install it. Maybe I should have done that first. But, okay, it's good. But all right, so let's see what happens with this, and then I'll install that skill. Oh, now I'm excited. Hi Fox, welcome. This is not my design. This is using the impeccable skill. I was just looking at somebody's work. Okay. Thank you, Fire. Stop and install it first. Okay. All right, so let's do that. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's there and redo it. All right, let's do it. Okay, I have to stop. Sometimes I have to stop. I just have to just do. Okay. True, Fire. True. Maybe Sonnet or Opus. So I have Opus. That doesn't mean it's on the best part. Half the price. That's good advice, our pal. Hey, Spider-Man, marking you present. Marking you present. Okay. All right, let's install. Should I just do it in the same session or a new session for installing the skill? No, new session, right? Okay. Okay. All right. Please install the impeccable skill. I'm pasting the link to the repository here. Oh, dump this session. Dump the session. Okay. No problem. Yeah, I'm pretty much done. RPound pretty much done with it. It's basically done. There's just one little thing that I do want to fix. Not a priority at all. But on the homestay, hostel, and volunteering page, at the bottom, I don't like how this text is aligned to the left with dead space here. So either something has to go here or it just has to be centered or spread out. So that's the only thing, just a minor tweak, but it's not important. It's not on my priority list. And like I said yesterday, the owner's sleeping in a cave right now. So, yeah, the owner's sleeping in a cave right now with no service or electricity. So it's not like I can get a hold of them anyway. And it won't even matter to them. It's just something that matters to me. And they also now they have to purchase the domain, so now I do have to sit down and work with them a little bit. They've never done this before. They don't know how to where to find the domain. So I want to meet with them, direct them how to do it, and then set it up for them. But again, sleeping in a cave with no electricity or internet. So whenever they're ready, I'm here. Google Business used to give TL new domain. Interesting. Okay, installed is now globally set up. Here to set up design content. Next step, run impeccable. Here to set up design context, write product MD and optional before using. So it wants me to run it here. Do I need that to finish setting it up, or new session and then run that? Oh no, it's okay, no worries, we'll figure it out. There are definitely options that are cheap enough for them to purchase. New session, okay, thank you. Again, trying to organize with the skills. And then I have to run this one, right? Impeccable. Which one did it say it wants me to run? Wait, there are so many options. Loads the skill for the session, thank you. So anything made after the, okay. In it. What does that mean? In it. In it to win it? Why in it? Initial. Okay, that makes sense. Impeccable. We in it. Get in it. Get in it. Oh, you're... Is this a visual implementation? Is the other one? Who is the primary user of this site and what are they doing when they show up? Build type pre-launch. Yeah. A solo creator project or doesn't involve. Hi, Net. Welcome. Working on a bunch of different things. I have this idea to build something for this amazing community that shows up on a regular basis for my stream. But in true Jillian fashion, the idea is very intricate. So I'm trying to work it out. I just finished building a website for a small family business in northern Pakistan that I know personally. So that's what I have been working on. It's finished for the most part, but I'm simultaneously trying to build out this other idea. And I said, in it, the project is waiting. What's legit said, what's in it? What's in it? And I'm installing the Impeccable skill net because I'm struggling with the front end design and this skill has come up many times. Thanks, Net. That's what I'm trying to get my next site to look like, because I ran the initial prompt yesterday and it gave me complete trash. This is what it gave me. So don't judge me. Don't judge me. It's stressing me out. I have to fix it today. So my Discord community, it's called Builds and Boarding Passes because I am a solo traveler. Travel is my passion. And now I'm learning how to build apps. So that's my Discord community name. So I'm trying to build a platform for it where it's fun for the community, right? Eventually, somewhere down the line, I can't promise you when, it could be a place where we host occasional events, and a space. I want it to be a space where people feel brave enough to maybe take a risk or do something that they maybe felt they weren't ready to do, because that's the feedback I get from the community, that people come in here and maybe they haven't felt comfortable in other spaces to connect and speak, but there's something about being here that makes them feel comfortable. So I'm all about stepping out of your comfort zone. That's how I live my life. So that has to also tie into the community project. So it's a lot of a mix of ideas. And the theme of it is it's a world tour. We're gonna go on a world tour together. And the destination, the real destination is a newer, better version of yourself. It might sound crazy, right? But that is what's going on in my brain. Hi, the Forts, welcome. Okay, what do I have to do next? Captured. Also set up. Impeccable live, a live variant. Next natural step, since there's no design MD yet. Site already has a real coherent visual design. Also set up. Okay, just set up whatever we need to. In terms of the visual design that already exists, just for context, we will be doing a full redesign today because I hate the design. Oh yeah, I follow him. That's cool. I'm always hiding under. Well, yeah, exactly, Net. And me too, in a lot of ways, believe it or not. I'm actually pretty antisocial, and spend a lot of time alone. But making connections here has felt really nice for me. And I think a lot of people feel the same way. So I kind of want to create a space for that. Obviously, it's a large idea. We have the world tour. We have the, stepping out of your comfort zone, future events. So I'm just trying to work out the kinks because there's a lot going on in my brain and I have to make it all make sense. What's the one thing a first-time visitor should believe about the world tour? Believe it's real. Believe it's bold. Tour genuinely happening. What do you mean genuinely happening? We're not all gonna travel together. Primary action: subscribing to your tour journey. But the dare itself, building public. Hi, Noel, welcome. Well, hold on, I missed it. Well, Net, kind of. I mean, a little bit about my story is that I'm an amateur vibe coder. I just started learning in public 49 days ago. So really everything I've built on stream, we've kind of built together because people in the chat are always giving me feedback and suggestions and telling me things to try and test out. So everything that I've technically built is a we build. The point is the dare itself, building in public, stepping out from the comfort zone. Oh, I don't know. A combination of both. For the visual world itself. What has to survive? I have the prompt for the full redesign. It's good that I don't use Windows. Why, null? First time I saw a woman vibe coding on live. Nice, more women should do it. It's cool she has bigger balls than me, no offense. No offense taken. I do got balls. I mean, not literal physical ones, but in life. Thanks the forts. Paste the redesign prompt. Okay, perfect. Let's do ponytail light. Okay, we finally ready. It's installed, so I'm excited to see. Now that I actually saw somebody use that. Oh my God, Nat. No, I mean, I moved halfway across the world all by myself without knowing a single soul. I mean, that was the scariest thing I've ever did in my life, but I did it. Okay. Alrighty, let me rename this as builds and boarding passes redesign. I'm dead. Oh, also I want to update the favicon. I don't like that it's an emoji. It should be something like similar to the logo, but not the logo. Ooh, I'm excited. Let's see. I don't want to get my hopes up though. I mean, I don't really have experience in terminal net. I've just been using the desktop app. Again, like, I'm not a technical person or anything. I mean, I just started doing this 49 days ago. Well, I had the idea before 49 days ago. I had it in my mind that I wanted to learn how to vibe code because I made my own personal website for myself, but I didn't know what I was doing. And after I did that, I kept having this idea of like, I really need to learn. I really need to learn a systematic way to do this and not just spit fire random nonsense at an agent. And, you know, I got something. That website is something that we really should revisit one day because there's a lot of bloat in that website because that was the first thing I ever built randomly. But I decided on Memorial Day, it was Memorial Day, I just decided I'm gonna go live. Like, I had it in my idea the idea in my head to go live, and I just decided I was gonna do it. The reason why I wanted to go live was because I do it every single day at the same time, and having that schedule holds me accountable to actually continue my learning. If I don't set a schedule for myself or I didn't do this, the reality is I would get distracted doing this, I would get distracted doing that because I have so many interests and so many passions. So I had to take an action that would actually hold me accountable to learn. You know, and I know I committed to showing up every day, so here I am learning. If you want, I can help you out with your setup whenever you're up. Sure. Nat, feel free to join the Discord, and we can talk. I literally love learning from everybody here. Sometimes it might not seem like that because sometimes I get super stressed out on stream. when there's so many ideas happening at once. Oh, perfect. But I truly am enjoying myself. Sometimes it does get overwhelming. Sometimes there's a lot of different suggestions in the chat all at the same time, and they all seem to come in at the same second. You have no idea what's going on in my head in those moments. In those moments, like, I'm here, but in my head, I'm like panicking. Hi, Full. I don't think you've ever chatted here, or you're new here. Yeah, the flamingo comes out of the pool sometimes and sits on the side. I mean, that's what I lay on in the pool. When I'm in the pool and then I want a tan, I just lay on the flamingo. So he or she stays in there. Oh, he's always there. Or she. Burning inside? What do you mean? We should name the flamingo. We should name the flamingo. What should we name the flamingo? I think it's time. Oh my god, yeah, net. Yes. When I get stressed, yeah, but I have to learn. This is, I can't get stressed about this, you know? Like, I have to just take it in stride. What are, no, the website is, this website's done. I'm working on the project, the platform for my community. Yesterday, I ran the first prompt. It came up with this disgusting mess. I absolutely hate it. So now I'm trying to redesign it. And we're taking action by using the impeccable skill. And we're gonna see. We're gonna see if I can get something that I like. Pink Flamingos, Horseman. Wow, that's a long name. I was thinking something just like Pinky. Like, I don't know. Pink Flamingo, Horseman of the Apocalypse. Maybe something shorter. Ooh, interesting. But it's like a really good name. Pink Flamingos, Horsemen of the Apocalypse. Wow. It is a really good name. Let's see. We'll narrow it down to some, and then we'll take a vote on it. I mean, if you're the only one who ends up having a suggestion, then you're gonna win. Okay, this is looking a little bit better. Anywhere I can go font shopping. Need some new fonts in my life. Hi, Kumar, welcome. Hi from Nepal. Oh, Fire, we got somebody from Nepal in here. Fire's gonna love that. I need to go to Nepal. But, you know, I want to go everywhere. Living in the USA. Where in the USA are you living? That's where I'm originally from, but I live in Thailand. I moved to Thailand 2 years ago. I'm originally from New York City. M-O. Is that Montana? M-O. No, is it? Oh, Missouri. Okay. Interesting. Missouri, of all places. Why'd you choose Missouri when moving to the United States? How long have you been living in the U.S.? I am in Phuket. How'd you know I was in Phuket? I love Thailand. Love Thailand. Music isn't loud enough. Do you really think so? I like living in Phuket. I'm not gonna lie, I do like living here, but it's not my favorite place in Thailand. Oh, you didn't choose Missouri. It's not my favorite place in Thailand, I have to say. But it is a good place to live. It's convenient, especially if you travel. There's an international airport. That's super important for me. My favorite place in Thailand, and I wish I could live there. I really, really wish I could live there. It's this island called Koh Chang. And it's kind of close to the Cambodian border. There are two reasons why I don't think I could ever live there. Maybe when I retire one day. One, it's a pain in the butt to get to. If I live there and then I want to travel internationally, it becomes a huge hassle. Like the only way to get there is to drive 5 hours from Bangkok, maybe 6 sometimes, and then take a ferry that you have to drive onto and then drive through the island to get to wherever you're staying. Yeah. Hi, Mikey. Welcome. So just for reference, I haven't built that many things. I've only built 4 things live. So I don't have a lot of experience. I'm new to this. But I would say the most recent website that I built, which is this one, has been my favorite. But take it with a grain of salt. I am new to this. I'm just learning. No, I moved completely alone, full. I moved here. I took a job at an international school as a teacher. I'm a math teacher. That's my actual trade. But I quit that job, and now I'm a virtual math teacher. So I'm still teaching math. Do I really, Mikey? Thank you. I'm not experienced at all. Yeah, I only started 49 days ago. Okay, so we have a redesign. Yeah, the United States was just killing me. It was killing me. I wasn't living. I was dying there. That's how I felt every single day. And I knew I had to change. I was like, I can't be on my deathbed one day and look back at my life and it be this. All right, let's see the changes. not seeing a moving background. Okay. Okay, this is better. This is better. All right, it's better, but I don't love it. I don't love it. Well, I'm glad that you're having a good experience. Maybe it's because I grew up there. I was born and raised there. So maybe I feel differently. And maybe specifically because I was in New York. You know, New Yorkers are not nice. I feel like there's a huge dark cloud over New York. People I grew up surrounded by people, and even in my adult life in New York, I was surrounded by people who choose misery when I was trying to choose happiness. And the more I traveled internationally, the more I realized life is better, and literally every other place that I visited except where I'm from. So once I started traveling, I knew I wanted to live abroad. It just took me some time to figure out how. Okay, this is better, but I don't love it. Flight 001, current stop. Okay, current build. Next stop. Actually, I know how to change this manually. Let me find. What were we? This is so many prompts ago. No, not necessarily full. I think it was just my environment in New York. There's good and bad people, you know, from everywhere. So it's not that I don't like people from the United States. It was the people I was surrounded by. You know, New Yorkers, I don't know how many New Yorkers you've been around, but New Yorkers can be pretty kind of rough around the edges, and I'm one of them. Like, you know, and I'm happy that I was born and raised in New York. It taught me grit, it taught me hustle, you know, but damn, it's hard. They really are miserable. They really, just the people I'm surrounded by were miserable. And I was working in the New York City Department of Education, so you have to think the people in the public school system there, I mean, trust me, they're just the worst. M-Dog, hey M-Dog, yep, gotta do what's right for you. Gotta do what you gotta do, like. Okay, let me try to find. Yeah. I still don't like it. Wait, the skill has something about fonts. Fix font choices. I'm attaching a screenshot of what I got. This is definitely better, but I'm still not in love with it. It's still hard for me to put my finger on what I actually want it to be. I know first and foremost that I'm not loving the fonts. They seem a little bit too generic. And also, just a heads up, I did install the Impeccable skill, and I'm using that to help me redesign. So maybe we could use that a bit here. I know that there is a command to change the font. What else do we got here? Impeccable craft, full shape, then builds. Of course, net, of course you can. In it, document, extract, shape, critique. It's been 2 years now, full. I've been living in Thailand for 2 years now. Add purposeful motion. Introduce strategic color. Fix font. Oh, okay. I like that. I'll do that. I'll do that. Add moments of joy. I love that. Impeccable delight. It sounds like a dessert. Technically extraordinary effects. All right, let's see. Typography right now feels like skill. The headline font is elegant. All right. BRB, gotta pee because I can't focus. I can't read, but I'll be right back. Hello, I just tuned in. What is this new project? Hi, Stacking Dude. So the Pakistan tour website is basically done. I just need to get the custom domain, but I have to talk to the owners about that. Right now they're a little unreachable, but it's done. I'm working on a community project now for my community in the chat. It's a very intricate, very Jillian idea, but I'm focusing on the front end design of it first. I go every day. Well, 5 days a week. 5 days a week full. I go to the gym 5 days a week. The gym is my life. But yeah, this is looking like a travel website and not. Change only the typography before touching the layout again. Remove. Okay, one thing, I use the font before for the headline for a previous project. I'm trying to steer away from things looking too similar. Do you have any other similar font suggestions? Because I actually do really like that font, but I don't want everything I build to look the same. So full. Monday, I do upper body and core. Tuesday, I do cardio. Wednesday, I do glutes and core. Thursday, I do cardio again. And then Friday, I do upper body and core again. But the way I actually train, I probably sound like the craziest person. Everything I do is always like not normal and a mix of so many things. But how I train, it's a mix of calisthenics, strength, HIIT, Pilates, gymnastics. It's like all of those things combined into one. I went from wow, congratulations. That's awesome. That's amazing. Good for you. Good for you. Sign. Which one is it? They all look different. Personality and boldness, but it has noticeably different. It's a little bit more angular. Extra bold. Same, full, same. That's literally probably the only place that I go. Oh, I have somebody on Twitch. Hey, not ultra. What's up? I'm building a community project right now, for my community in the chat, which is There's a lot more of them on YouTube than they are on Twitch. I just started on Twitch. But I'm just working out kinks with the front end design because I'm not loving it. It's not looking like a community page, it's looking like a travel page. So 100% working out it's even more about mental health than it is about physical health for me. It's an instant mood booster. Or bold. So not today. I actually I installed the impeccable skill because yesterday I ran the first prompt and I developed the idea with ChatGPT, but it definitely didn't land well. I'll just say that. It didn't land well. So I'm trying to redesign it. Definitely not any references. The references are coming from my brain, and I think that's always my problem. Because there's a lot going on in this brain. So truthful, so true. All right, let's go with that. Yeah, for sure. Nat, I'm definitely going to do that. I'm just making sure I agree with the font. Yeah, that's a good idea. Miss G. Anybody is the closest alternative. Anybody. That's a font. I'm just looking at fonts right now. There are so many of them. Which one is it? Rethink Sans. They are paid, but save me so much time. Saves the hassle of researching for inspiration, I'm pretty sure. Thanks, Nat. I was looking at, what was I looking at? I was looking at Figma yesterday, and I was looking at Dribble, I think it's called, for inspiration. It's just really hard because I feel like what I have in my brain, it's like I can't necessarily visualize it, but no other design will replicate what I have in my brain. Maybe I'm a crazy person. I don't know. Like, maybe I'm just a freaking psycho. I had a dream. Oh my God, I took a nap today. Was it today or last night? I had a dream about the stream. Wait, I have to tell. Let me figure this out. I'll tell you, it's actually hilarious. I was dreaming about the stream. Oh, thanks so much, Full. Dreaming about the dreaming and streaming at the same time. Behance. Okay. Yeah, I'm learning. I'm learning. Like, I just saw this website today, an example of somebody who used the impeccable skill. And I love it. I feel like this could inspire me, but for something else. So this is good inspiration for me, actually, but not for what I'm currently building. But this is the first website I've seen in a while that I was like, wow, I actually really love this. So. All right. Okay, but I also want the feeling to, well, you know what? Actually, let me not. Let me see what it comes up with. And then Net said with different styling, so you can pick. Okay, not bad. Make a single page HTML file with different styling so I can pick what I like the most. Oh, what's this? Okay, let me see. Shader, see, let me see. What's this website? Why is it not loading? Oh wait, there it is. Hold on. Whoa. This looks up old school. Full for 49 days. 49 days. No problem stacking, dude. I'm just trying it today for the first time, so we're gonna see. But, you know, my website's not looking like the example that I showed yet, but if it could help produce something like that, then I'm a fan. I'm trying to learn. Interesting, it's right. What's that, full? Pen testing? Thanks. It's not what I want though. It's not what I want. So we're all trying it. Hi, Nona. Yes, I am living in Thailand. I am living in Thailand. Been living here for 2 years now. Testing, well, all right, makes sense. That makes sense, duh. Damn, how have I been streaming for already an hour and a half? Sure, for practice of testing a computer system. Well, I think that's a very useful thing to learn. Oh, you're Thai? Are you in Thailand? Are you Thai and living in Thailand or living somewhere else? Wait, so guys, I have to tell you, I had a dream about the stream while Claude is running. Why am I dreaming about this? Why am I actually dreaming about this? It was such a mess. Okay, so I was sitting here. I can't believe I'm gonna tell you this. But in the school that I used to work at here, there was an outlet on the ceiling. There were outlets on the ceiling, but the ceiling was so high up, like nobody's ever gonna use that outlet. I don't understand why there were outlets on the ceiling like that. So I was sitting here, but I was using an outlet in the ceiling that I don't have. Okay, but in my dream, I had an outlet in the ceiling, and I had everything plugged up into the ceiling, and the wires were like coming down, and I got up and I got tangled up in all the wires while I was streaming. It was a disaster. Thank God that wasn't real, but in the dream it felt real. Like, it felt really real. And I woke up and I was like, thank God. Thank God. I live in Oman. No. The reflector's on the way, though. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put it, though. I need to get some type of tripod. The wall is pretty far from me, but I wonder, how far does it have to be? I have a tripod here, but my phone and my camera is set up to it. Or I could, like, even if I just lean it. But I am interested. I think I'm interested in what the effect is gonna look like. My hair is gonna look really red. I know that. But no, that's not why I had the dream. I'm realizing, like, when I'm really serious about something, that's when I start dreaming about it. Like, I used to dream about, like, when I was a classroom teacher, I used to dream about being in the classroom all the time. I used to dream about it all the time, and I used to hate it. I'm like, why am I dreaming about work? But it's because I'm serious about this. That's why I'm dreaming about it. But I'm so happy that wasn't real life, though. Like, getting tangled up in all the wire. It was really a disaster. Like, it was a disaster. Yeah. It was such a disaster. When I woke up, I was like, like, I think I gasped and, like, clutched my pearls and, like, grabbed the bed. Like, I was like, okay, thank God. I was like, was it a dream? I had to, like ask myself, was it a dream? Was it a dream? I'm like, okay, yeah, it was a dream. All right, Claude's still working. I think I'm gonna get some fresh air. I might as well, because I don't do that enough. Sometimes I sit here like for 4 hours and I don't even take a break. So let me do that. I'll be right back. Don't mind my socks. I don't know why I'm wearing socks like this. Is it raining? Just jump in the pool. I was already in there today for a little bit. Oh, it's on. I'm over here just jamming to the music. Okay. Where do I see the... on the options page. Oh, I don't like that. Or do I? What's that? What are you, meditating? Thanks for stopping by, Full. See you later. The picker is in the localhost. Hi, Islam. I did. You can check it out here. I'll put the link in the chat. You can take a look at it. Anybody can. Let me know what you think. There are little tweaks that I want to make, but it's not important right now. For the company itself, I think it's good. They have to get the domain. Hi, Jabber. Welcome. Quentin is good. Way cheaper. Interesting. Title card, condensed overline. This font is so like stretched out though. Oh, the problem is... Oh, okay. Can you make it an artifact so I can interact and give feedback? Problem is I don't like any of them. I'm so picky. When it comes to front-end design, I'm so picky. Probably this one I like the best, option B. But the design itself, what do I want? What do I want? It's just not feeling fun enough. Okay, I'm working on choosing the typography that I like, but just the overall feel of it seems more like a travel website than a community platform. I need it to feel more fun, right? It's important for me that my viewers and my community join the platform and it's something that they're gonna have fun engaging in. So I don't know if I have to take the design in a different direction, but it is feeling way too much like a travel website. Oh, somebody on Twitch, sorry, I miss you. Bobo, I'm making a community platform for my community in the chat. There's a lot more of them on YouTube. I'm very new to Twitch. Something that eventually we could use to have occasional events and things like that. A space where people feel comfortable stepping out of their comfort zone. The idea is very involved and complicated. It probably doesn't make sense right now, but I promise one day it will make sense. Tell Claude to me. Hi, Kadan, welcome. I recently just started using Codex, but not to actually build anything yet. I had it working on another task, so I'm just experimenting with Codex that way. Hey, Johnny, thank you. Johnny, my guacamole was amazing. I was thinking about you while I was making it and eating it. That was my top priority yesterday when everything was going down. I was just like, finally I get to eat my guac. That's all I wanted. All right, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yo, I know. I was dying laughing. Headline scale. Yes, so the problem is I don't like any of this at all. That's the problem. Damn, you know, she picky. She is picky when it comes to design. Visual language says premium brand, travel, airline companion. It doesn't say fun commuting experience. The photograph, elegant headline, naming dividers, and realistic all reinforce travel, but none of them communicate play, participation. The shift I would make, travel should become the theme, not the main personality. The personality should be live, social, fun, playful, energetic, slightly game-like. Yeah. Yeah, and I'm not gonna rush it. I feel like recently I've been putting a lot of pressure on myself to evolve and improve fast, but fast does not equal better. And that's something that I tell my students all the time, so I have to remind myself that this will just take as long as it takes me to get it perfect. I don't want to settle. I don't settle for anything in my life, so I shouldn't settle on a design. I shouldn't settle on a project. It would be, again, things would be different if it's a client project, right? Like, so for example, with this one, I'm calling it finished. I could beat a dead horse with this project. I could beat it to death, and I could keep going on and on and on and making all these tweaks and you know, will it ever be perfect to me? Probably not, but that's for somebody else. And, you know, if it's a client, then when it's done, it's done. But if it's for me, then fast does not equal better. Keep them moving in the back, but replace the formal departure board with a more. Oh, mosquito bite. Now I'm bleeding. I scratched it. Okay, wait. Let me do this. Flight departure board. Oh my God, all these ideas could resemble an open digital passport filled with a large destination stamp. Hi, Pure Motivation. Welcome. I'm working on a community platform that I want to build for all of you guys. But I'm working on the front. It's the very beginning stages, so I'm trying to work out the front end design of it. And I'm very, very picky when it comes to that. Okay. All right, let me try this. Okay, I'd like to see what each of those options look like because it's hard for me to decide which way to go until I see it visually. So can you write me a prompt for Claude where I could see both? I'm going to ask Claude to make me a single page HTML file with the different options so I can pick what I like the most. Also, I'm thinking that maybe the departure board and the passport should take up the entire or almost the entire width of the hero with the moving photos just muted in the background of that. Impeccable update. Yep, it added to my roster. It did a solid job at redesigning your app. Nice, Fire. I'm glad to hear it. So that means it's a good recommendation. Finally using it. All right. If I start a new session, I have to activate Impeccable again, right? So okay. So Impeccable. But which one? If I'm starting a new session, Fire, maybe you can help me. Because I wanted to start a new session, but I want to activate Impeccable. Do I just do \impeccable now that everything was set up, or? Really? I don't have to activate the skill again in a new session? Let me see. Okay, question. I'm gonna start a new session in Claude. Do I need to activate the impeccable skill again in the new session? My only small critique from a first impression is the layout of the hero section. With the stand with the headline on the left and the boring press on the right, your attention feels slightly split. I personally prefer the main headline to be centered, and usually where new visitors look when opening a website, it would make the content feel more immediate. Thank you, Not. Thank you for the feedback. Yeah, I was also feeling the same way. I don't like the split screen. That's why I'm working on trying to figure out what I want to do with it, because I don't really like the hero at all, but I definitely don't like that it's split screen, so thank you. I agree with you. You don't need to reinforce in every new code session provided. You install the code session project. However, the new session has a fresh message for the most reliable result in Vogue and Puzzle command again when you hit. For example. Okay. Alright, let's first do oh, it's light, L-I-T-E. Polish whatever you want to be worked on. For example, polish the hero section. Okay, fire. Also, you don't need, you can just say mid prompt, for example, I want you to do this and that and use the impact. Okay, thank you, Not. Thank you. Obviously a newbie here. I just want to make sure, you know, all my ducks are in a row. Thank you guys. You guys are the best. All right. And boarding passes. Redesign too. Will she ever be happy with the design? Damn, 2 hours already went by. Time really flies. Time really, really flies when you're vibe coding. How am I doing that well on the usage? Oh, damn. All those extra usage credits are almost done. I don't know if I could go 4 hours today, y'all. Super tired. Having weird fever dreams about the stream. I think that's telling me I need to rest. Let me get my chapstick. I like this font. This font is. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. This looks a little bit too much like my other project though. There's no more design here anymore. Used to be able to open Claude Design. Yeah, no, but yeah, okay, they removed it from the sidebar. Yeah, that's what they had it, but it was only there for like a hot minute. I don't know what, they should put it back. Should be on the more on this one. Oh, you moved out from Claude. And what are you using now? I don't know if I forget if you mentioned it before. Oh, okay. And is there, can you maybe share your reason for switching over? Sleepy. So sleepy. Okay, nice, yeah. You do a lot of back-end work. Oh, the back end. I mean, I don't have much experience, but some of my projects do have a back end, and that was definitely a learning curve for me. Still learning a lot about it. 49 days ago, not 49 days ago I started. Kind of, well, a little more than that, but I took off. I didn't do any vibe coding for like 2.5 weeks because I was traveling. I was trekking the Himalayas in Pakistan, and there is no service, sometimes no electricity there. So yeah, there was no vibe coding going on when I was traveling. So let's say 49 days ago, because it was 49 days of vibe coding. Verified in browser. Okay, why is this one not working? Hey, Edwin. What's going on? Oh, shoot. I like this idea as a passport, but I don't think it should be the hero. It shouldn't be the hero section. It should be something that everybody has. Okay, I definitely like the passport in option B, but I don't think that should be the hero section. That should be a feature that each user gets, as that's personal to them and their journey. So I think more of a departure board is what I'm going for. However, the design in option A looks way too similar to a project that I already built. So I don't necessarily want to go that direction either. I'm going to attach a screenshot of a departure board for inspiration. And I don't want it to look exactly like this departure board, but maybe we could ask me some questions and give me some options of what we can do to perfect this design. I saw that. Not. Is it good? I haven't used it yet. I did see that. Yeah, like something like this. Basically talking to a coworker. Nice. I think I'm going to switch to Opus. Because I'm not getting what I want anyway. Now I'm just thinking, is my whole idea in general shit? Is my idea just shit? It's not a departure board, exactly. It's a boarding pass. Say hi, Brian. Each row. Thanks, not. I know, I feel like we're getting somewhere. Stops, builds, and crew events. Enter, leave, newest at the top. most genuinely live feeling? I don't know. 1 or 2. I would say, how should the board and travel photography share the hero? Board fills the hero. Filling essentially the whole viewport. Translution edge. Where is it? Let me see. It just felt more like a boarding pass than a departure board. And the project I already built, the hero section, is a boarding pass. There's a tool called Lavish X, I think. I might like it more than Claude Artifacts. Oh, really? What does it do, Net? Oh, okay. The operator's hard to tell because I'm not getting what I want yet, but I am the problem. Okay, I know I'm 100% the problem because the thing is like, I don't know exactly what I want. Here I am again. That's very typical of me to not know exactly what I want because it's just like a mush and a combination of things. So I'm the problem, but Fire in the chat just used Impeccable to improve his app. And he said that it was good. So trust Fire, not me, because I'm a disaster. Divine Design What's that? You're not talking about this. Divine design. Is that a skill? Hey, hard pal. Stacking Dude 711. I just realized that 711 is at the end of your name. That's a great number to put there. And input. Setting it up with Stitch. Okay, what's Stitch? It's another platform. Oh, okay. Oh, it's your birthday? I'm thinking 7-Eleven in Thailand. 7-Eleven. So it was your birthday recently. Happy birthday. Is it better than Claude Design? Because I am thinking about going to Claude Design because usually that's what gives me something I like. Oh no. This website is not good for my stream. Better than Claude Design for sure. That's what Not said from Twitch. It's a 50-50, but might give you what you want. Okay. I think I'll experiment with that off stream because I just opened up that website and my stream started freezing, which tells me that website is too heavy for my stream to handle. I love free Slurpees from 7-Eleven on that. On your birthday, you get free Slurpees. Nice. So I might have to go into Claude Design. But I also think maybe I need a clearer picture of what I want. How did I become this indecisive woman? Okay, we're getting somewhere. Actually use stick. Stitch. Oh, okay. I was like, wait, what's stick? Now there's another one. To create one of my landing pages where I had decent results, only had to do a few touches with ChatGPT. Interesting. Okay, something I have to try off stream. Amongst the many things I have to do off stream. Fire templates. Okay, so then I have to. Damn, I wish my stream could handle it. Then I just input the designs to Claude, and yeah, it was really good. Okay. Is it free to try, or do I have to pay for it? Oh, nice. Okay, perfect. Generous limits. All right, let me look at what Claude came up with because it's done. Hey, FSD, welcome. And then if I don't like it, or I'll try to open stitch again. Okay. Yeah. That's what I feel the same way. Not, and I'm wondering. I'm wondering if this is a mistake that the departure board is so far down. It should be far up. Just wanted to share this as a friendly suggestion. No pressure to follow it, but by the way, a very important reminder: if you get hungry, 7-Eleven. Oh, oh, I know it is. Trust me. I was at 7-Eleven today. I mean, there's rarely a day that goes by that I'm not at 7-Eleven in Thailand. Too many snack options. Okay. All right, we're getting somewhere. Hi, Kick. Yeah, new project. Have I met you before? I don't think that we ever chatted, but new project. I'm trying to get the front end design in check. I don't know what to do, yo. I don't know what to do. Okay, let me go to Stitch. I'll try one more time, but I'm scared. Nope, was here a couple of days ago. Yeah, this one was finished. I'm just waiting on the company itself to purchase the domain, so then I can hook that up for them. But it's done. And I love it. And I could beat a dead horse, and I could keep tweaking little things that don't need tweaking. But it's done. Time to move on to project that I want to build for the community. What is Refero styles? Oh, Google it. Okay, let's see. Refero styles. Is it just design inspiration? Just inspo. Yeah. I don't know. I'm feeling stuck. All right, let me try to open Stitch again, but I'm scared. I'm scared. See, I'm frozen. Oh, wait, I'm better. I'm okay now. Maybe it did just need to load. I'm alive, right? I think it's all good. Hi, Jose, welcome. All right. So now, redesign existing apps. So should I just describe the design? I'm alive. We see, okay, perfect. Okay, yay. Okay, now I'm excited. I get to try something new. This website looks cool. I want this design. Okay. Am I gonna describe the design from scratch now? I feel so defeated. I see there's high quality designs in HTML with Gemini Flash. Use Gemini, go to Claude, tell him to make a short description of the idea. Oh, perfect. Okay, thanks. These things should be obvious to me. Okay. Can you write me a short description of the design that we currently have, the one that you just made? I want to hand that over to Google Stitch to help me redesign it. Or maybe I need to get rid of, also, I'm thinking, maybe I need to get rid of, oh, it's gone now. The photos in the background and have something else going in the background. Like maybe that's making it feel too, I'm not sure yet. And these are not the photos I would use anyway, but oh, let's see. Be in stuff. I can't copy that for some reason, but b and b passes dot Vercel dot app. Oh, this is so nice. Me. Wait. Yours is so nice. Damn, I suck, y'all. This is really nice. Where did you make this? Manifest. I like that. Damn, not. I like the font. I like this. Wait, what? Yours is so good. You made this with Stitch? Oh, the perfect plan canceled. Oh my god, I love it. What? Ugh, I suck. How'd you do that so fast? I'm over here 2 hours and 45 minutes. Shoot. I want it. Well, maybe I can use it as inspiration. Oh, damn. But I want to make it. Okay, wait. Oh, man, I'm so upset. It's so good. Oh. Okay. All right. Let me think. No, but I don't want to copy them. This is a Twitch viewer. Print screen and paste to Claude now. There's a font and a small font. You can start. Okay, so wait. Now I'm so confused. Am I putting that into Stitch? I don't think they used Stitch. Not from Twitch said. Not from Twitch said use codecs with some of my app features. That was it. So simple. Just use codecs with some of my app features. I'm over here wrecking my brain. Send him my regards. YouTube is saying send him my regards. Do Claude, send him my URL. Tell him to try to do something similar. Okay. So you do it with a bit of inspiration. Yes, that's what I want to do. Okay. Oh, it's so good. You're talented, Not. Oh my God. I love it, but I need to, it has to be mine. But damn you. But thank you for the inspiration. Shoot. Okay. All right. Scratch that. Let's scratch that. Maybe we need a new session. Let's do a new session. Redesign 3. It's so good. I know. I'm picky. I'm just so picky. Not when it comes to front-end design. The fun part about this whole journey for me is being able to be creative. Okay. Okay, I want to continue to redesign this project as I'm still not happy at all with the output. I have a viewer in the chat that created a design that I absolutely love, but I don't want to copy it, right? Because that wouldn't be right. But I want to use it as inspiration. I'm going to paste the link to the website below. For now, I just want to focus on the hero section and the departure board. So ask me some questions after looking at the website as to how we can take this as inspiration, but also make it my own at the same time. Damn, I love it. The Hunza website it's finished. Degeneration, it's finished. I'll make some tweaks here and there. Yes, I love the fonts. I love the fonts. I should have mentioned that, but okay, we'll see. Yeah, I love the fonts. Thank you. Thank you. Damn, maybe I need to use Codex. Let me see. You gave me a prompt. Hero font. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, it copied. I'm not gonna... Let me just put it in my notes. Font prompt from not ultra. Just so I have it. Codex is awful for design. I don't recommend using it raw. I use my own tools and skills to do designs. Stick to... Okay. Are those tools and skills that you developed yourself? Not... I have to say, thank you at least so much for doing that. Because at least now I have inspiration. Because I feel like before I'm just like blindly hoping for the best. That... Claude was just gonna give me something that I fall in love with. And it was you. It was you that did. I did need inspiration, so this helps. This helps. This helps me. How I'm gonna use it as inspiration and make it something I like better than this, now I don't know, but it's good. It's good. Like, I like this animation. I like this part. Damn, yo. and built by you, but the app is far more advanced. It's for more advanced users for your YouTube content. I don't think it would match if it makes sense. You would be a bit overwhelmed. I'm already overwhelmed, so. What do I love about the reference? Everything. Scale and giant headline that fills the frame. I do like the build in public, live in motion. Huh. But maybe I could change the words a little bit, but that I have to think about. That I'll think about in bed. Yeah, I do like that. What do you love about it? Everything. You can copy it once you finish forwarding it. I still have to make it my own. For myself, it's for myself, you know, like, because part of this journey is me, it's me learning, you know what I'm saying? So for myself, I have to, I don't know, I can't just copy it. Like, I like this part too, like all the fonts here. This is nice. This is nice too. It's all nice. Damn. Yeah, these fonts look really good. But they're the same, right? It's the same font family. Where do we land? Keep your left. Oh, hero composition, where do we land? Centered stack. Oh, the headline centered and huge one object breaking the grid at the bottom, right? Okay. Your current pally is navy coral parchment, the reference. Do we? Thank you, Not. Oh my god. You're the freaking best. Like, how much stage does it get? This I would probably redesign myself. Like, there's a lot I could do with this to make it my own. Move it out of the hero. One row, no. This could be interesting. move it out of the hero real columns. Go with the teaser. One row now, boarding strip. Put the full board as more code board I'm gonna keep. One second, I need my charger. Oh my god, frozen. Let me get Stitch out. Okay, I need my charger. Alright, we're getting somewhere. Damn, just when I was thinking earlier to end the stream, things got exciting. But it's the reference output topics, their structure. You said it was... I know, right? Not... But thank you, thank you so much for this. Like, at least I have some type of visual where I don't feel stuck. I just wish I didn't love it so much. Like, FSD, what do you mean? Like other streamers? And like this scroll animation too, even. Damn, not what did you put into Codex that you got this? You said it was like ain't no thing. Like you even got this cool animation and this thing and I actually watched one last night. He's so funny. And I think him and I are gonna do a collab. I think tonight actually I might be on his stream. This guy, Josh, his handle is AI Mastery. And I found him somehow and he was just hilarious. Like, I don't know. I was just cracking up the whole time. Anthony! Hi, Anthony. Welcome. Don't oh my god too much because I didn't build this. I did not build this. I built this. And a viewer built this. And I'm freezing. My camera's freezing. And I'm using it as inspiration. I'm not 100% sure yet, Anthony. I was, I know, that's why I dragged it back off. I was gonna call it quits like an hour ago because I was struggling with the design, and then not on Twitch came to the rescue and built this up for inspiration for me. So now I have some energy again. I would say at least another 30 minutes or so. I wasn't gonna go 4 hours today. I don't know. Yeah, I was gonna call it quits an hour ago because I was just feeling uninspired, but now I feel inspired. So, but you're waking up at normal hours these days, kind of. It's like 4 a.m., right? Yeah, but now we're finally getting somewhere. 3 hours in, and now I'm getting somewhere. You're feeling motivated? Okay, yeah. Good, no, you go get your espresso, get your omelet ready, get your sourdough ready and your homemade butter. And take your time, take your time. What did you, out of curiosity, did you say something specific for this animation for the nav bar? Okay. Yeah, what is the prompt that you use? I'm curious just because I need to think more in that way. However you thinking when you made that prompt, I know that's the way I gotta be thinking. Because this is definitely cool. What does this do? Oh, it's so nice. Damn, it's still thinking, Claude. Just gonna keep Claude off the screen. Claude must be thinking hard. I want you to redesign this website your way. Something, wow, use my preferences, recall memories from the brain, how I like animations of that. Oh, damn, that's it? Oh, shoot. That's all you wrote? So then your brain, right, in your codex, like, is just very well trained then. Damn, I need to get to that level of being able to say just that and getting this. I can't believe that's all you said. I'm over here prompting with essays. Has a brain. What are you using for the brain? Like something like Obsidian? Something like that, but my own twist, using a database of SQL ranking memories and their weight. Okay. Damn. I need to learn a lot from you, I think, because you're producing what I want. I need to learn a lot from you. Do you have a channel or something? Or do you stream by any chance? Because I want to be like you when I grow up. Damn, still thinking. Let me turn off the aircon. That would be great. Let me put the Discord in the chat for you. Why is this? Whenever you have time, I mean, I know everybody's busy, but I think I could definitely learn a lot from you. Oh no, there's some part of my computer that Hi, Rocky. My Unreal Engine 3D game while you McDonald's. Living the life. You live in the life, Rocky. Claude is still running on my other screen, but it's thinking way too hard. I'm seeing something, but I don't like what I'm seeing. Nice, Rocky. Build in public, live in motion. A moving studio, an open notebook. Oh, sorry, not. I guess, wait, oh, I have to go on to Nightbot and I have to enable Twitch. This is like day 4 for me on Twitch. Okay, so I'll do that. Thank you, thank you. Build in public, live in motion. A moving studio, an open notebook, and a world tour for people who stopped waiting for perfect. I like that. A world tour for people who stopped waiting for perfect. How can I change build in public, live in motion? How can I make those words my own? Oh, Rocky, thanks for chatting. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that you're doing well. Not that you're doing well. That you decided to chat. Thank you. Just so you know, I did not build this. One of the viewers, I was struggling with my design. Okay. Oh my God, my design looks so whack compared to this one. But a viewer who's in my Twitch chat, not Ultra, designed this for me for inspiration. And now I'm in love with it. I'm trying to figure out how am I redesigning it, using it as inspiration, but not copying it fully. How can we reword this? Build in public, live in motion. I like this. A world tour for people who stopped waiting for perfect. I like that. No, degeneration, I know. The YouTube chat is saying ideas in progress, passport in hand. Damn it, you good with the words too, not Ultra? Damn. The YouTube chat is saying just steal it. I'm probably going to take a lot from it because I really do love it, but I don't want to steal it fully because, again, the point of me doing this is for me to learn and for me to strengthen my skills. So that's the most important part of this journey of mine. So I have to make sure I do that. Make it anywhere, take it everywhere. Yo, build what matters, go where it leads. Build with motion, thrive in public. Damn, you guys are good. Build in public, live in motion. Build in public. Go where it leads. Ideas in progress, passport in hand. Build in public. This one has to be, ooh, and it even highlights in Lime. Build with motion, thrive in public. This one has to be, or should I make it my quote that I live, because this one has to be aligned with, I want the message to come across, to stop waiting for perfect. Build with purpose. Live with motion. Yo! Not create, don't wait, meet us at the gate. Oh my God. Yo, who are you, Not Ultra? Holy crap. Like, I have a legitimate genius in the chat. Build openly, live in animation. Oh. You're drunk? You're drunk, vibe coding, and eating McDonald's. What a life. What a life. Build in public, live in motion. Create, don't wait, meet us at the gate. It's so good. Pack light, build bright. Yo, what the? I can't. How are you this good? Damn it, I thought I was witty. I thought I was witty. Hey, low key. I still love that. I still love that. Still love that name. It's going well. I was using Fable 5 for a little bit, but Fable 5 wasn't giving me what I wanted, so I switched back to Opus 5. Hi, Jillian. What do I hate? What do I hate? Oh my God. The first thing that came to mind. I can't tell you this about me. You guys are gonna think I'm so weird. And why was it the first thing that came to my mind? You could also make a skill to help you brainstorm. Yeah, I would probably benefit from that, because obviously my brainstorming didn't work that well. Make it anywhere, take it anywhere. Make it anywhere, take it anywhere. Ideas in progress, passport in hand. Yeah, the Hunza website is done. It's done. Oh yeah, I did learn about the BTW command yesterday. I think Lego told me to use that. Damn, Claude is still thinking. It better be redesigning well, but I don't know how I'm gonna beat this one. So I am building a community platform, low-key, for our community. Okay, bye, Lego. And basically for 3.5 hours, I've been struggling with the design, and then Not Ultra, who's viewing from Twitch, just redesigned it for me and sent me this. He designed this, not me. So I'm using it as inspiration, but the problem is I'm just in love with it as it is. I think more of like, I want to take this and tweak it. See what I told you about Claude being slow? Since I work a lot daily, I had to switch to GBG. Oh, yeah, I get that. Especially if you are doing this for your line of work, I could see that. That's why I know a lot of people who use Claude for work that have like multiple agents going at the same time. And yeah, I'm interested. If you have trained Codex, and I'm sure it's taken a lot of work, and to have your brain trained the way it is, but if you were able to just take my website and give that small little prompt and it came up with something like this, that's impressive. I spent so much money vibe coding like that. Oh God, I know. I think a lot of people do. I mean, good for you for being able to afford to vibe code like that, Rocky. I'm worried there's my mouse on this screen, something is in that spinning colorful wheel. What is loading? And what is loading in the background? Thanks, not. And on your own, whenever is convenient for you, honestly. Like, I know everybody's busy, everybody with their own lives. Whenever you find the time, if you have a free moment, I would really appreciate that, because this is like, this is what I need to be. This is what I aspire to be. So you're locked in, not gonna lie. Plus, I know how to code without AI. Good, lock in, Rocky, lock in. And that's good. That's great that you have that knowledge. Damn, 35 minutes. All right, let me see. Build in public, live in motion. Let me talk to chat. I want to brainstorm some ideas for the text for the hero section. Right now, I have text that says, build in public, live in motion. I want to change that so it's unique to me and my project and my vision. Welcome back, Anthony. I'm glad you got your espresso. Okay, wait, I think we're getting somewhere. Okay, wait. All right, hold on. Okay. What do we got? Done and pushed. Oh, it pushed. All right, I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. Yeah. Yeah, it's not good. It's not good. Not ultra, it's not good. No, Anthony, I haven't either. It's actually been kind of crazy for me also. And I was like, oh man, Anthony's gonna kill me. But okay, you're... No, this is not what I want. I want this. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Would you mind? Not, I mean, I don't want to take it completely, but I really love it. And, like, I feel like maybe I should use it as a base and then edit it. I was just so disappointed in this usually. No, it's okay. I was like, oh man, Anthony's gonna kill me. Anthony's gonna kill me. Okay, thank you. No ultra, thank you. I was like, Anthony's really gonna kill me. No, I know. Also, Anthony, like, I feel like that's gotta be something I have to do off stream. I learned that day I was way too distracted. It was so hard for me to focus and stream at the same time. If you have enabled computer use, you could have more control with iterations. Claude will view your browser. Oh yeah, I do have the computer use enabled. Build in public, live in motion. Using my computer to come up with 50 different ways of saying this phrase. Oh man, Rocky, I don't need 50 different ways. If I get 50 different ways, that's too many options for me. That's too many options for me. Your current build in public sounds good, but it could be long. It's almost any digital where ideas get built and borders get crossed. Ooh, a moving studio and open. Open notebook, a world tour, and a world tour, people. World is my studio, the process stays open. Okay, all right. No problem. And then I don't even know what I'm supposed to do with that. Send me the source and I edit on it. Yeah, Rocky, I could go crazy with that. Oh, what, like, it could take me days or weeks to figure out, like, how I want to word things. Manifest. So if I took this as the base, then how would I edit it? I'm gonna change the text. I'll probably change the background, and make it maybe these moving photos, but not these. Something more like sunrise, sunset, I like this luggage tag. I like everything. Builds in boarding passes. Flight open. This I would definitely redo. What is loading in the background? See my spinny circular wheel? I'm scared. What is loading in the background? Hi, Nazar. Welcome. How are you? Sent on Discord. Okay. I'm scared to open Discord. Discord makes my stream crash sometimes, but let's see. What happens? I'm gonna hope and pray for the best. Oh no, it's already bugging out. All right, I downloaded it. Let me get the F out of Discord. Before something blows up. Okay, let me make sure everything is still working. Okay, good. Freaking Discord. Okay, so Nazar, just give me 1 second. I'm just trying to figure something out. So I have this now. So now, what do I do with that? Not ultra. Do I just give it the folder? Nazar, it's gonna be like a community platform. For us, eventually, it's gonna take time. Obviously, I'm here almost 4 hours in. I can't even settle on a damn design. But, so it's gonna take time. Damn, Rocky. It's gonna take time. You gotta be patient with me. Yes, tell him to start working on that website source from now on and all changes. Okay. Ask him to open a preview of it. Okay. I think I need a new session. Again. Why am I such a hot mess? All right, I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna get there, guys. Okay, redesign version 4, yeah, exactly. Start working on this website source from now on. I know. Anthony. I didn't? No, it's just for token usage. I guess I don't need it. Let me see. All right, we'll stay in the same session. Yeah, I think I'm okay. Okay. Start working on... Can I just put the folder in here? Or do I have to attach the Does that work? Change the model to what? Make sure to point the new fold. Oh yeah, I know. And then hold on, what did I say? Hold on, I'll get the music going in a minute. Redesign, he created. Oh, why can't I spell? Okay. Okay, music. Well, I guess it's like the same as if I found a design inspiration on one of those other websites, and then used it and tweaked it. And not ultra, I will give you